Hey everyone, thank you for joining the Global FX Trade Club overview presentation regarding the foreign exchange market. My name is Donnie Somerville, and my mission is very simple: is to help 5,000 families make an extra 1,000 per month or more in the foreign exchange market by learning this skill. I am one of the founders of the Global FX Trade Club, and we consider ourselves to be one of the baddest teams on the planet. So if this is your first time hearing about the foreign exchange market, we definitely want to say thank you for coming to our presentation just to learn a little bit more about this market. I think that you're going to definitely be very impressed and want to learn a little bit more. Guys, before I get started, let me read a disclaimer which simply reads, every effort has been made to accurately represent this product, service, and its potential. In terms of earnings, there is no guarantee that you will earn any money using the techniques and ideas in this material or in this website or PowerPoint presentation. Information presented on this website or in this presentation is not to be interpreted as a promise or a guarantee of earnings. Earning potential is entirely dependent on the person using our product, ideas, and techniques. Let's get started. Guys, when I was in college, I flipped my very first piece of property in real estate, and I made $20,000. So you got to understand, I'm 21 years old, $20,000 in the bank, and I am rich, or so I thought I was. Okay, that year I read a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, and it just got my mind thinking more entrepreneurship. Okay, and so I knew job is not where I wanted to do or wanted to be. I wanted to have my own business. He came out with a second book called The Cash Flow Quadrant. And in that, he talked about there are 4 ways to make money. And so you'll see it right here. E stands for employee on the left-hand side. You have a job, right? And I'm not saying there's anything that's wrong with the job, but you don't want to stay there. You want to use that job to create more wealth for yourself. The S stands for being self-employed. A lot of times you start working for an employer and realize, you know what? I want to own my own business, and you move to being self-employed. The right side of the quadrant is where we really want to focus because this is where the bulk of the money is made. When we talk about B as being a business owner, we're talking about big business, guys. We're talking about owning like a franchise or some type of network, right? Such as McDonald's, owning a McDonald's franchise or having people work for you. When I started out in real estate, I started as a real estate agent, but quickly got my broker's license because I recognized and realized that if I could have other agents working for me, I can make more money. I can clone myself, right? So I could be on vacation and my office can still be running. My office can still be taking money in. Why? Because I have real estate agents working for me. And that's the same thing that you have to look at. Are you the only one that's going to work in your family or for your family? Right? What if there were 20, 30, 50 other people that was contributing to your income? I'm not saying that you wouldn't still work as hard, but guys, it makes life a little bit more easier. So when we talk about ownership or owning a system, you want to put yourself in position where you are owning a system. Guys, I as an investor, that's where we want to spend the bulk of our time. I got a phone call from a friend of mine 2 years ago and said, Donnie, have you heard of the foreign exchange market? And at that time, I had knew nothing about it. I'd heard of the stock market, but knew nothing about the foreign exchange market. And he said, it's just a way for you to grow your own money. You can learn how to grow your own money. And I said, give me an example. You know, what do you mean, right? And he said, Donnie, so let's just say you took $100 and it began to compound by 5% per day. Now, understand, guys, we're going to talk about compound interest. This is something that might be new to you. Some of you, you're familiar with it, but I tell you what, this is the key where you can compound your money daily, right? So he said, Donnie, if you took $100 and it compounded by 5% per day, in 30 days, you have $432. Now, that wasn't real exciting to me, right? But he said, no, you got to put it in its proper perspective. Think about this. Think about going to the bank, Bank of America, Chase Bank, whatever bank that you have in your city, okay? And he says deposit $100, go back 30 days and ask them for $432. What do you think they're gonna say to you? But after they push the silent alarm, right? What do you think they're gonna say? Right? That's just not going to happen. But in the foreign exchange market, it's possible, right? But here's what really got my attention, guys. In 60 days, your 100 grew to 1867. And in 90 days, it's possible to grow a little bit over $8,000. Wow. Wow. So you mean to tell me that if I learn this skill, it's possible for me to take $100 and grow it to over $8,000 in 90 trades? And the answer is yes, right? Now, let me go one step further because I want you thinking big. What if out of the 8,000, you took 3,000, put it in your pocket, but you took the other 5,000 and put it back into the market? Look what happened. 30 days later, a little bit over 21,000. 60 days later, a little bit over 93,000, guys, and 90 days later, a little bit over $400,000, all started from a $100 investment that you learned how to grow. So guys, what are we going to talk about? We are going to talk about the foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange market is simply exchanging one currency pair for the next currency pair, right? It's a $6.8 trillion per day industry, guys. That means it makes enough for everybody on this line. Everybody on this line could make $10,000 today and it wouldn't even scratch the market, right? It's enough in it. So we can share in our ideas instead of going against each other. Guys, it runs 24 hours, 5 days a week. And now with cryptocurrency, you may have heard of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ripple, Ethereum, right? It runs 24/7, 7 days a week, which means there's never a time that if you wanted to make some money that you couldn't log in and make some money if you know the skill and require the skill. Guys, it's the largest financial market. It's much, much bigger than the stock market. Global FX Trade Club has partnered with Tradera to provide the education because you say, well, how do I learn this? And Tradera is the key, guys. A little bit about them. They were officially founded in 2019. It's based in the United States. It's a financial service platform, education platform, and they are 100% debt free. Our basic goals are to teach you when to buy, when to sell, and when to not. That's simple. When to buy, when to sell, when to not buy or sell. Tradera Financial Services, we're going to talk a little bit about the trading education, the alerts that they provide, live sessions, market forecast, and the trade community. A little bit about the trading education, guys. It's 100% online, which was very important to me because when I started 2 years ago, I was working just a regular job, okay? And actually as a sales consultant, and I would have long hours. Sometimes I work from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And so for them being online, it was easier for me to be able to just kind of go at my own pace, right? Step-by-step strategies, comprehensive A to Z training, guys. And again, they also provide what we call trade alerts. Now, this is where trade ideas are sent out and you can simply copy and paste. Now, this is something that you can truly earn while you're learning. Okay, it's called trade alerts. We also provide live sessions. One of the things that we do as the Global FX Trade Club is we trade with our team 3 times a day during the Asian, London, and the New York session. I would highly encourage you to get back to the person who invited you to this presentation and say, hey, look, I'd like to be a fly on the wall. I'd like to get in and just listen in and peek in to see what your Asian sessions look like. I promise you, you're going to come there and you are going to learn a lot because that's what we do. We teach this skill. Market forecast posted by experienced traders every Sunday, where it breaks down the major assets, offers trade opportunity insights as well. And again, additional education sources, and my favorite, which is the trade community. Guys, you get a chance to network with other traders, compare market viewpoints, ask additional questions. Guys, you're coming here to learn, but more importantly, we want you to know that you're not alone. There are thousands of people in the company, but also in the organization. We want to let you know that, hey, you're not alone. Now, let's talk about how much does it cost? Guys, you get everything that we just mentioned: trading education platform, the trade alerts, the live sessions, the market forecast, the trade community, all for $99 to get started, and then $99 a month. Isn't that amazing? Just $99. Now, there is a business opportunity side to this, which we'll speak about at a later time, but please get back to the person and they'll tell you a little bit more about the marketing side of it. But again, we just want you to know that the education of it is $99, guys. Here's what we know: Forex education will change your life if you take it seriously. You don't have to be great to get started, but you do have to start to be great, which is a quote by Zig Ziglar. Guys, my name is Donnie Somerville. I just really appreciate everybody for coming on. I hope you learned something. Please get back to the person who invited you to this presentation and let them know, hey, look, I'm ready to get started with my education right now. Again, thank you for joining.